All right, guys, so today we're going to be doing the part 5 of the Cosmic Eclipse to continue my collection. I knew I was going to update how many cards I left, but I just don't have enough cards at this point. So next time I'll definitely be doing an update how many more cards I need. Actually, I'm going to move this. I'll be like that. All right, guys, so let's do the first pack. All right. All right. One. All right. Energy. Antorth. Gloom. Lena's Fishing Rod. Whalmer. Ponyard. Tog de Maru. Trapinch. Flebe. Reverse Hollow. Erica. And a Trevenant. Okay, next one. Why are these so hard to open? Jesus. All right. One, two, three, four. All right. Energy. Type Null. Island Challenge. Erica. Tangela. Duskull. Timpo. Piplup. Cosmog, Reverse Hollow Raichu, and then a Hollow Bazeflan. All right, not bad. Those right there. All right. All right, guys. Let's see what we got. 3, 4. Energy, Flareon, Roller Skater, Clefairy, Dupiter, Apion, Onyx, T-Pick. Ooh, nice Alolan, Sandshrew. Ooh. All right, we got a secret rare. Let's go. Nice little secret rare to start. And then an Emor. Finally, guys, we've been looking for a secret rare. We finally got one. Let's go. Wow, guys. Good hit. Good hit. Beautiful start. I know, hopefully earlier you guys watched my sword and shield collection. And like I said, please subscribe. That way I keep doing more of these videos. I still got a lot of packs to open, but please subscribe. Red and Blue, Vibrava, Great Catcher, Ponyta, Crawl Brawler, Carvanha, Chinchou, Azurill. Oh, nice little Reverse Hollow Alone in Vulpix. And then we got another secret rare. That's 2 secret rares in 4 packs right now. Tag Call. Wow. Beautiful card. Beautiful. Wow. This is probably our best hit on so far since I started this channel. Wow, guys. Let's get one more secret rare. All right, Energy, Empion, Golduck, Will, Snorunt, Coughing, Jodrum, Burr, Swirlix, Kritot. All right, reverse another Basfalion, and a Swanna. All right, guys, please subscribe to our channel. I'm actually going to do one more video today. Usually only do 2 a day. I'm going to start my evolution collection. So I got a lot of packs of those. So please subscribe. That way I can make more videos. All right, guys. See you soon.